In the next example, hey, my blue came back. We are given the asymptote. And we're given the asymptote as y equals plus or minus 4/3. Now, if we look at the equations, our asymptote could be a over b or b over a, right? Well, actually, automatically, since I have no hk without talking when I'm not supposed to, could I verify then that my center is 0, 0? Because if it wasn't 0, 0, if my asymptote would be like h and k would be somewhere, correct? So from that information, I can identify that my h and k is 0, 0. Now, the problem is, I don't know, is it b over a or a over b? Because I have two equations.
B over a.
But the one thing I noticed is I'm given eccentricity. And remember, the formula of eccentricity is c over a, right? So if c over a, that means 3 is my a. So that means if my asymptote, that means that has to be plus or minus b over a, right? So now, from this information, I can identify b is 4, a is 3, and c is 5. And can I verify that a squared plus b squared equals c squared? Yeah, that works. So now I just need to write the equation. Now the thing is, should I do a horizontal or a vertical? Well, if it's plus or minus b over a, which equation is that? Which one is that for? That's for a horizontal. So that means my x squared is going to be under my, or my a is going to be under my x squared. So it's x squared over a squared, which is 16, minus y squared over b squared. Wait, a squared's 9. B squared 16 equals 1. There you go. Oh my god, that was actually easier than the last example. Just using a little